what are you going to cover in your session, Amy?
Anyone can lead when things are good, but leading when you have got a lot of stuff going on, whether it's a challenging market or whether you're just going through some stuff yourself and there's a lot of stuff going on at home, or health wise, or menopause, or whatever is going on, you still want to show up as the best version of you, right? And the leader that your people deserve. And that takes work. The best leaders know that this is a journey that you're always working towards. So, those moments where you might speak up in a meeting and then think, gosh, why did I say that? Or nobody got that joke, or I sounded like a right idiot then, nobody understood. But then rather than go back to your team and be the leader that they need, you spend all day and possibly the day after worrying about it. And in this, that's something that all leaders do, no matter what stage you're at. So what could you do in that moment? Well, I've got a couple of things that can take 5 minutes in that moment that can take you from a negative to a positive. So real actionable stuff that you can bring to the workplace that will help you power through. And then the last thing that I want to do is share my favorite piece of work, which is very much career strategy, where career strategy meets self-discovery. So questions where you can, as a leader, re-meet yourself on a weekly, monthly, quarterly basis, and just reconnect to who you are and why you do what you do when you have to be so many things to
Yeah.
so many people in the workplace and at home. Having that moment where you can check in and go, who am I? What is my leadership identity, and why does it matter? Because things can get quite noisy sometimes. So those little check-ins are really important. So they're the three aspects that I'll be bringing to my session, and I cannot wait.